We're going to Costco for our Eid shopping. We have many stops to do. We're gonna go to Costco, Farmers Market, and Walmart. Hopefully we'll be able to get everything that we need today. That way we're getting the shopping out of the way. So yeah, let's go to Costco. I can never get used to vlogging in public. It's always so awkward. And it's all cozy. Alright, so we went to Costco. I got so much stuff from Costco that I had to go home and drop that off before coming to Walmart because I didn't have any more space left in my car. So now I'm about to go to Costco and get more stuff. So, oh, not Costco, I'm going to Walmart. Good morning. It's currently 6 a.m. and I'm getting ready to go to New York to get my hair done for Eid. Right now, I've been looking rough for a whole month. I'm so excited to get my hair done. We're about to leave in 5 minutes. So let's go. Look at this side and then look at this side.
I want to edit the videos.
Right?
But the lighting's terrible.
people, welcome back to this Ramadan vlog that's been all over the place. I have no idea what I was doing, but this one is probably going to be like the last week of Ramadan recap. So yeah, today is the last day of Ramadan. Sadly, I'm not fasting because my period came, but I'm really excited because all my siblings are coming down and I'm about to start cooking for tomorrow. And yeah, the first thing I'm going to do right now is the sorrel juice and the ginger juice, and then I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done and all this mustache and beard out, and then I'm gonna come back and continue cooking for tomorrow. My goal is to make sure I get everything done tonight, so that way tomorrow I'm able to just dress up, go to the mosque. Well, I won't be praying, but you know, just for the heck of it, take some pictures, have some fun and things like that. So yeah, I'm about to get started on the sorrel juice first, and then I'm gonna go and do the ginger juice. So this is a hack that I do to clean my blender from like smell of garlic and onions and things like that. So before I blend like any kind of juice in there, I'll add some down dish soap and then boil some water and put it in there and let it sit for about like 5 to 10 minutes. This will definitely like eliminate all like any smell that was on there. It's basically kind of like sanitizing it a little bit. People would normally boil this, but what I like to do is add boiling water to it, because I feel like when you boil it, it kind of adds like a burning taste to it. Maybe it's just me, but that's how I feel. So I just add boiling water to it and I close it and let it cool down. It will do the same thing because the goal is to infuse the sorrel leaves, well, diffuse. You know what I mean, like get the juice out of the leaves. Adding boiling water and allowing it to rest will do the same thing. So I'm just gonna put that down and cover it and let it cool on its own. I've allowed the blender to sit for about 10 minutes now, so the water is actually cooling down. I'm going to shake it. Be careful, it will spill. So make sure you're shaking it up and down. And take a clean sponge and wash. Pineapples. See you later, Ayan. often we would use like artificial flavors for strawberries, but I guess because we don't have enough strawberries to be able to like blend it and find it easily, so what I like to do is instead of using the flavor, what I like to do is use the real thing. So I'm just gonna blend some strawberries now. I think I'm gonna add some water. The flavor for like a quick fix or when you don't have a choice. But when you have it, why not? And you're making it for your family, so go with the real thing. This is how much juice I have for the orange. I'm just gonna pour that in there. Fresh lime juice. Well, my mom pressed this for me yesterday to make my life easier. Just stir it up. Just gonna add. I'm just gonna add this much. You don't need a lot because the sorrel leaf is already sour. We are done blending everything for the sorrel juice. So we're just gonna let that infuse first before we add this to it. I got shit to do. I better say, well, you have to kill your tomato first. Where's the not more. So this is how much ginger juice I made. I'm about to put them in a bottle now.
Yeah, I found the program.
Market la.